2, 3, bringing up the live feed. Thank you for joining us. Please stand by for a message from our channel sponsors. Hi everybody, and get ready for a live feed. We're doing sound testing tonight. I hope you can bear with us and you get to visit with beautiful Florida. Look at that beautiful picture of the hotel, and just across from the safety pin, the hairpin, and we'll be getting ready to do some live sound testing here in just a moment. Thank you for joining us. Hi everybody, and the light came on. Hopefully we're live and the sound is working pretty good. You should be hearing the cars passing by in the background and my own voice, hopefully at a pretty good level. I can see myself in the preview there, so hopefully it's working. I'm going to go ahead and switch us over to the in-car view. And that should put us in the car. Hopefully you're seeing a track map, and you should be able to see my controls up in the center. And hopefully, if the track map doesn't seem to be working very well, let me see if I can fix that. And we're going to put you into the scenic view. Again, you should still be able to hear the cars in the background. There they are. Okay, and I think I know what the problem is here. Waiting for a live shot, and there's the track map. Isn't that just the coolest thing? Okay, so now you can see the track map, everybody, and that gives you an idea. And you'll see there I am sitting on the pit row, and you can follow me as I go along. Maybe I need to make it a big red dot or something, you know, but that's pretty good. And we're going to check out the sound level. Hopefully the sound level is pretty good and you can hear me over the engine, and it gets louder, so hopefully it won't be too bad. And the sound level, that's what we've been working on for the last couple hours. If you look back through the archive, it's a bunch of my mistakes. So thanks for riding along with us. Look at that track map. It looks dandy. And you can see I have the pit lane speed limit notification is right there in my line of sight, so I can't drive the car without noticing it, you know. And then you should be able to see my controls up in the middle. That looks like it's working pretty good. And you can follow along as I go in the track map. Now, hopefully, the sound levels should be pretty good. And you can see me, I'm going through the 345 complex. And then I'm going to go out onto Big Bend, under the bridge, and out onto Big Bend. Now here we're coming down towards the hairpin. We call it the safety pin. Woo, 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 woo. I got out into the marbles, and that's a really good example of how well the marbles show. You can hear them in the car in with our new particle system, as it were. And now the tires have some of those marbles on them. The track is in a very well worn state. You can see there's a definite racing line. And now we're going through the S's. The first one's flat out, and then you slow down some for the second one. Got a little bit into the rumble strips there, and then we're going to turn out onto the old runway. You can see the tower off there to your right, and we're running down the back straightaway, the old runway, and here we come towards turn 17, under the bridge, downshifting. We got good traction, bumpy bits. Road gets real bumpy here. I just kind of let go of the steering wheel a little bit. Here we come into turn 1, flat out, almost 170 miles an hour. Right to the edge of the track, down into the 345 complex, all the way down to first gear. Oh, good traction, good traction. We're really starting to jockey the car around. Whoa, a little bit there. Whoa, oh! I lost control going out of the exit of turn 5 and hit the tires leading up to the bridge abutment. That could have gotten really gnarly really fast, you know? Okay, now we're going to switch back to the scenic view. And that's going to conclude our sound test for tonight. And we're going to go to the in screen there. And hi, everybody. And that concludes our sound test for tonight. You can still hear the background sounds, and I'm speaking. I don't have the playback playing through my earphones, so I'm not sure if it's working or not. But we've been working on the sound all day. We also have the track map up there. That was an interesting addition. And you can see the controls, and you can see my webcam, hopefully. So, and this is the first time that we're streaming in HD 720p, which is pretty good. And that's about as much as Twitch allows us. So, and that's about as much as most folks can download. So hopefully the picture is good. And thank you for watching our sound test and getting ready to go live on My Race Data TV. Thank you.